Hello, everyone. Hello. Um, my name is Oleg Kuzmenkov. I'm the founder of Seller Assistant, and this is office hours with Seller Assistant. We do it every Wednesday. So, if you have any questions on how Seller Assistant can help to run your Amazon business, or how you can automate it with your how you can automate it, your Amazon business with Seller Assistant, feel free to ask any questions in the comments and just text me, um, or join our office hours and ask. Just ask. And today I'm going to show you how to set up like automation um, via make.com with your Google Sheets. Let me show how it works. Mm. So to sometimes Amazon sellers, online arbitrage sellers, wholesalers needs to get some extra information about Amazon products to their Google Sheets. Let's say you have a list of products um, you sell or so, like they are somewhere in your Google Sheets. Like let me let's say you have a list of ASINs and you want to get some information about them, right, to your Google Sheets. So how to do so? First of all, you need to have Amazon seller account connected to no. First of all, you need to have a seller assistant account. Then you go to make.com, create account here because we have a make integration. Let me show you. We have integrations with make, and with make you can fetch some information about products. You can convert UPCs to ASINs, ASINs to UPCs, estimate sales by ASIN, by BSR. You can get like list inbound plans, shipments, check product restrictions, get product statistics, even request a keep a product. So we have a lot of requests. So let's see in action. Um, you create account, and then you go to scenarios and create a new scenario. Um, let's say you want to get some information to this Google Sheet. So you need to connect the Google Sheet first. I'll pick a Google Sheet, and then I'm going to watch new rows. If a row added to Google Sheets, let me remove it. If the row added to Google Sheet, I want to read it and send read the ASIN from the row and send it to Seller Assistant to um, so Seller Assistant can get the information about the ASIN and return it and put back to Google Sheets. So how we can connect Google Sheet? First of all, you need to have a connections. Like you click connect, click sign with Google, and you connect integrator, make integrator to your Google account. I have one connected, so I just pick one from there, and then I need to connect my Google Sheet. I can pick it from the list. Like I know that it based in etc, and then I pick it from like goods to sell, something like that. But also you can pick it by link, I guess. Just you just drop spreadsheet ID and get it. So I connected my Google Sheet. Now um I need to connect like um this tab. The tab name is make, so I'm going to find the make in the list. So where did it, like, make? And then I want to read all the headers. Now I have an agent header only, and headers will be in a row, in the first row from A to Z. So let's connect, and I want to, like, read all the rows. So if I run once, um, yeah, I have nothing. Let me add an ASIN there. Like, I added an ASIN. Um, yeah, and if I run the script, it reads and find the ASIN right here in the ASIN row. So now we need to do something with this ASIN. Um, I know some people watching us. If you have any question, you feel free to ask them in the comment or just text. Um, Text them, text your question, and I answer it. So uh, once we have connected Google Sheet and we get the ASIN from the row, we need to pass it to Seller Assistant. I click here and look for Seller Assistant. You can use a search, but I already have it here, Seller Assistant. And then what we're going to do with the ASIN. For example, we want to read product information about it. So I click here, and then I need to pass the ASIN from the Google Sheet, like from the column A. I pass ASIN right here. And then I need to pick a domain we work for. Like, if you don't pick anything, we fetch information for Amazon.com. Otherwise, you can pick your Amazon, any Amazon. So let's save our config. By the way, to connect Seller Assistant, you need to have a Seller Assistant account and create API key. To create API key, you need to uh, click here on your connect account, click API keys page, and then you click generate API key right here. Sorry, you generate API key right here and copy the result. So then you pass it right here, and the app is connected. So okay, let me save it. So I just say save. So now we can test it again, but now we need to add a new row. I just add the new row, and then I click run once. So the script is working. So first step is fetch ASIN and pass it to Seller Assistant. Then Seller Assistant fetch all the information about ASIN. So what information do we have right now? Let's see. We have ASIN parent, ASIN title. Let's copy title right here. Let's add it here. Also, we want to save a brand name. Brand name goes here. Then maybe I want to save a release date somewhere. Let's say the release date we need here. BSR. I want to know a current BSR price. BSR. So also I want to know estimated sales. I just copied the names, but you can use any names. It's bullet points category. I want to have a category right here next to BSR. Let's say, like, category like this. And also I want to know, like, price, current buy box price, like this. And like offers, FBA fees. Let's say we have what the FBA fee. FBA fee. Also, I want to know referral fee. Yes, storage fee. So you can find any FBA offers. I want to know how many FBA sellers sell it. FBA offers. So you can connect different different agents, different requests at Seller Assistant and fetch like statistical data. You can check restrictions, UPCs, anything about product. So by the way, I also want to know if I can sell it. So I want to bring the restriction status right here. So this is our columns. Let me make them gray. And now, oh, sorry. Now I want to fetch the information about products and put it right here. So to do so, actually, I just get the information from Seller Assistant app, and I need to put it back to Google Sheet. So I connect another Google Sheet app, and my task is update a row. So I need to connect the same Google Sheet as I read data from. So now I need to pick it. It's in etc, and goods to sell, and I'm going to update a make tab, and as you can see, like it's just read the headers and see all the headers we just added to the table, but it doesn't know the row number we're going to update. So we need to update the row number we read the ASIN from. So the row number is in the first app. First app is the Google Sheet app where we read the data from. I put it here. And then I need to update those values with data from Seller Assistant app, make app, like from there. So we already have ASIN. It's right there. So now we need to update a title. I get the title from here. Uh, sorry, the brand name. It should be a brand name. It's in Katan. It's a brand name. The brand name goes here. Let me update the rows. The brand name goes here. The brand name. The product release date goes here. BSR goes here. Current BSR current. Category goes here. Estimated sales goes here. Buy box price. Let me find the price. Buy box price goes here. FBA fees goes here. Referral fee. Storage fee. Number of sellers. FBA offers. FBA offers here. And restriction status. Like we need to know if it's restricted. Restriction status goes here. And also we can add the product URL. Like let's add it right here, product URL. So I just click save. And next time I add an agent to the list, the tool run and find it, pass it to Seller Assistant, and then update the Google Sheet information, Google Sheet with the information from Seller Assistant. It works like a charm. Yeah, and so let's set it live. So I need to save a scenario and then set it live. Now each time I add an ASIN, let me grab some ASINs. Let me like, I add the ASIN here. Maybe another one goes here, and another one. So so the integration runs every 15 minutes. But we can, set a minute, for example, and now it goes going to run every minute. So while we add in some agents to the list, it's waiting for a chance to update the row. So it's waiting for its schedule. We have to wait for a minute. Unfortunately, the Google Sheet does not allow to uh, to update the form immediately. So it use like pull schedule. So it allows you to pull all the columns and check if something has been added, but it's not inform you if you added something to the cell. And in this case, you set a schedule to pull your Google Sheet for new information, to pull the information from Google Sheet. It's like pull or poll in. It's like poll. You ask if something added. So no updates so far. Maybe I didn't save it. Sorry. Okay, I didn't save it. So that's why it never updated. So let me run once by hitting the button, so you will never waited for it again. So as you can see, it's fetch all the information and fill the form with the data about product. And what else data you can use? You can add different requests. You can convert UPCs to ASINs. You can get product restriction checks, sales by ASIN or by BSR. You can get list of inbound plans, or you can get a list of um, shipments. You can get product from Keepa. You can search product in Keepa by uh, you know some parameters, and then you just do something with this data. You place it in your systems, in your Google Sheets, Airtables, anything. So this is how it works, and it allows you to automate your processes. So thank you for watching today. I hope this video was helpful for you. Have a good day. Try Seller Assistant.